In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for reporting. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull in a ready-made RAG reporting setup and tailor it to your team's needs without starting from scratch. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in a browser or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple teams, because the template will live wherever you add it. Next, move to the specific space where you want your reporting to live. Spaces are your top-level containers in ClickUp, so choose the one that holds the projects or departments you'll be reporting on. Hover over the space name in the left sidebar to reveal the options menu. You should see a three-dot icon appear next to the space name. Click those three dots, then select Templates. This opens the template library for that space. Templates in ClickUp are a fast way to bring in best practice structures, lists, views, custom fields, and more, so you spend less time building and more time tracking results. In the search bar at the top of the template library, type RAG reporting. RAG stands for red, amber, green, and it's a simple visual system for showing health or status at a glance. You'll typically use it to flag items as on track, at risk, or off track, which is perfect for status reviews and leadership updates. When you see the RAG reporting template, click it to open the details. Review what's included so you know what will be added to your space, such as lists, custom fields, and preset views. Then click Use Template. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to confirm where to place it and what elements to include. Keep the defaults if you're not sure, those usually provide a solid starting point. Once the template is added, feel free to customize everything so it reflects how your team actually works. Rename lists and views to match your terminology. Adjust statuses and the RAG options so they align with your reporting cadence. Tweak custom fields like owner, due date, or health to capture exactly what you need. If the template includes dashboards or views, refine filters to show only active work, group by assignee or priority, and sort by due dates to make reviews faster. You can also fine-tune colors and naming conventions so your RAG signals are unmistakable in meetings. That's it. You opened your ClickUp account, navigated to the right space, pulled in the RAG reporting template, and customized it for clarity. Save your changes, share access with the right people, and you're ready to report with confidence.